Isn't that what you did with halibut in the last
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty much the same thing, man. Dropping cut bait on the bottom, or lob bait, big pinfish, or grunt or something.
Oh. That's feisty.
That might be a red, big red. You always come back.
Yeah, he's pulling real.
Grab that spool and pull back on the gas too. There you go, you got him back out now.
You getting your video?
Yeah.
All right, just making sure.
Heck yeah.
You might want to remember this one.
We'll probably get some ones fighting a little harder. Probably smaller. Might be a red, might be a snook.
Yak stuff anyway.
That big snook. Oh,
Holy crap.
that's a better snook.
Healthy specimen.
Nice.